How do you tackle one of the most difficult challenges on the SAT? For many students, poetry comprehension is the largest barrier to achieving a high SAT score. Are you getting bogged down? Unpacking poetry on the SAT. Do the questions make sense? But the poems themselves feel overwhelming. Do you think you have grasped the meaning of the poems, but then find yourself answering the questions incorrectly? Many students don't score as highly as they can on the reading and writing section of the SAT because they don't use the tools available to them strategically. Internalizing the question types on the SAT, using highlighting and annotation tools to unpack complex texts like poetry, and utilizing the strike-through feature to eliminate incorrect answer choices can make the difference between a good and great score. That's why we, at Efficient Academy, created our 30-minute workshop to teach you exactly how to use the SAT's reading and writing tools to comprehend, analyze, and answer SAT questions about poetry effectively. In just one session, we can change the way you view poetry on the SAT from overwhelming to entirely manageable. Watch our SAT poetry tutorial now. Improve your poetry comprehension to achieve a high SAT score.